Here we go with the magic color changing thimbles. Thimble number 1, watch very carefully. I'm going to put this thimble in my left hand here, and you'll notice it actually disappears and appears in my other hand. Now I'm going to make this thimble here change color. All I've got to do is put it in my left hand here, and you'll notice it changes into one green thimble. Here we go. I'll do it again in my left hand. The green now changes into one blue thimble. Here we go. Let's see if we can make this blue one change into one red thimble. Now you're probably wondering where all the thimbles gone. Here we go. A little bit of magic. 1, 2, 3, 4 thimbles. And that's called the magic color changing thimbles. Here we go with the magic color changing thimble explanation. Now I've got to teach you one little move to start off here. This is called a little bit of a false transfer. I pretend to put it in my left hand, but in fact I retain it in my right hand right here. Notice the position here. It's between my thumb and my middle finger. And also I use the index finger just to cover it up a little bit as well. So now you can't see it at all unless my hand is right up here. So here we go. Watch again. Like that. This is the move here. You've got to get reasonably fast at this move. So let me go through the whole routine. The first thing you've got to do is preset the other 3 thimbles in your lap so that the entrance to the thimbles is closest to this thumb here. So here we go. Just to make it easier, I'll leave the 3 thimbles on the table like this. Alright, so here we go. Let's go through the routine from the beginning. First thing I did is put the thimble on my palm. As I turn my hand over, under this cover here, I'm going to put the thimble into the palm position there, and I pretend to take the thimble like that. Now as I show that it's disappeared, I'm going to slip this thimble back on to the right index finger, and as I show this thimble has appeared back on the right index finger, I'm going to pick up these 3 thimbles, which of course would normally be in my lap. So now you're in this position here. 3 thimbles in your left hand and 1 thimble on the index finger. So here we go with the color changes. Color change number 1. All I do is, as I put this finger right in the left hand here, I retain it, put the finger in, and reveal the red thimble. Now while I'm showing this one, as I'm coming up, I'm going to work this yellow thimble right down to the little finger. Put it on just like that. So here we go, I'm in this position here, and I've got 2 thimbles over here of course. The second one, just before I go in, I retain that red thimble right there. I go back in for the next thimble. As I'm coming up, I'm going to move this red thimble onto the 4th finger. Now I've got 2 thimbles on here, 1 thimble in here, and of course 1 thimble over here. Last one, put it into that transfer position there. There it is right there. It's held in the thumb palm position. Retrieved the final thimble, and of course I'm just going to put that blue thimble on my middle finger. Now all that's left to do is just to reveal all the thimbles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's a great little trick, this one. There's only that one little move to learn. I'm sure you'll have it in no time at all. And that's called the magic color changing thimbles.